Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to create the switch blocks that's actually going to manage our fast travel system. And we've done quite a lot of switch blocks already in this series, so I'm not going to explain everything in depth, we're just going to get things in place. So we'll begin by creating voids for each one of these states. So we'll come below here and we want ft underscore reset. Open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. We'll come inside and we'll get the debug logs in place now. So we'll just copy and paste that naming convention into the debug log. Speech marks either side as normal. And then we'll just copy and paste the void. And we'll paste in 6 more times. So 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and with that we'll copy the naming convention for the next state and we'll just paste it in, and as before we've just got to keep going until we've got them all in place. And once we've got these in place we can actually create the switch block itself. So just a few more to go. So here we go for the fade out function. The actual moving of the player. And finally for the fade in. So we'll just paste that in. We'll just save it off there. And we will now create the switch block itself. And I'm going to come here between the void update and the new void of reset we've just created. And as before, this can be of type private. We want IEnumerator. And we'll give it a name of fast travel FSM. We'll open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. We'll come inside this brackets and we'll say while open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. Inside this first set of brackets we'll set to true. We'll come inside the second set, we'll say switch. Open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. Again, back inside the first set of brackets, and we're switching the fast travel states. And then we'll come inside this set of brackets and we'll create a case. And it's going to be fast travel states. And we want the dot ft reset. Then we want a full colon, not the normal semicolon we use here, a full colon this time. We'll come to the line below, we'll call that function ft underscore reset, we'll open and close brackets, we'll close the line off, enter, break, and close the line off again. And these two lines we'll just use the normal semicolon, which we would normally use to close a line off. So let's copy and paste that case block, and again we've just got to paste in 6 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, we'll just copy and paste the naming conventions for the next one. We need to paste it both there and here as well. And again, we've just got to keep going down until we've got them all in place. And just as before, when we've created switch blocks, as soon as we have this in place, we can actually continue on and fill out the new voids we've created and actually begin to implement some functionality into the system. But just one more to go now. Let's copy and paste that. And finally here as well, we want to come just after this first close brackets, and we're going to use yield return null, and we'll close the line off. So let's come to the void start. We'll come right to the top of the function actually. Start core routine, we'll open and close brackets, close the line off, into the brackets the little speech marks, and we'll actually copy and paste the naming convention for the switch block, the IEnumerate function, into there, and we'll put it into the comments. So we'll say start, we'll paste the naming convention in again, fast travel FSM on start up, and we'll just save it there. So now we have the switch block in place. We will actually leave it here for this lesson, so a short lesson today, but now we have the switch block in place, we can actually continue on in the next video and begin to add some functionality to our script. But as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.